Hello, this is Mike here with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Our website is mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Here I'm going to show you our 2017 Toyota Sienna L. This unit is a navy blue. It's a very nice looking van. It does have the rear entry manual conversion. It's a brand new conversion that we had put in. It comes with a 3-year warranty. We're going to jump right into it. It's very easy to use. Just going to open up that back hatch. Right here you got a secure clamp, release. Same thing over here. Each side of that ramp has a handle. I'm going to grab it, walk it down there to the ground. It's a spring assisted ramp. It operates pretty well once you get it going. And putting it up, to me, is actually a little bit easier than putting it down. But either one is easy to do. That ramp you're looking at right there, that is a 36-inch wide ramp. Your standard caravans, if you've looked at our website, you've seen many of them. They have a 34-inch wide ramp. So if you're looking at this thinking, oh, that looks a little big. Yep, it's a couple more inches big, and that means a whole lot when it comes to wheelchairs. Inside here, on the entry, you have a 56-inch height, 58-inch interior height. It is an ADA compliant van. You got the option to have 2 wheelchairs or a gurney. You got 8 tie down points, 2 up front, 4 in the middle, 2 right back here. Coming up in the van, you got 2 passenger seats. It's nice that they put them in vinyl, easy to clean, kind of like that floor down there. Sweep it, wipe it down. Steering wheel controls. If you're going to use this van commercially, it's always nice to have your driver's hands free. You got the backup camera there. You got satellite radio, and who knows everything else it can do. Right over here, you got dual climate control for your driver, passenger, and then your rear. If your rear passengers would like control of that and you're okay, you can go ahead and give them that control. They've got their own buttons back here to push. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this ramp back up. Again, it's a 36-inch wide manual ramp. Not a lot to it. It walks itself right back. I'm going to secure this. We just don't want any vibrations while we're driving. But what I want to point out is that being one solid piece, that sure does cut down on the cabin noise when you're running the vehicle. Alright, again, this is a 2017. It is not a perfect van, but it is a very nice van. Been around this thing a few times. There's just not a lot of blemishes, door dings, anything. Not saying there's not one, not saying there's not 2. I'm just telling you, if I don't see it, I miss it, I apologize. Our whole goal here is to get these videos out to people that cannot make it in here and get their hands on this van before they buy it. We want to make sure if this van is shipped to you, that when it gets there, you have no surprises. Got a little rash there. Yeah, I'm just not, there's no dent screaming out to me. No scratches really screaming out to me. Just a very nice, clean van. Low mile, it's 2017 with 20,000 miles. A lot of tread left on the tires. You got your power windows, power lock. Back here, you got another view of the vinyl seats. And this does have the dual sliding doors. They are manual. Alright, 20,737 miles, you can see that on there. Sometimes when those come through, you got the manual right there. And this unit has one set of key fob. If you want to pay $145 and have us cut you another key, let us know ahead of time. We'll get that done for you. That's something a dealer does. It costs them $250 to get that done there. That's just not, we're just not gonna, if we can help our customers out with that, we certainly will. So do pay attention in the comments of any notes that we send you, because they're in there somewhere. It's gonna be an ask me questions. All right. You got your backup camera. And we're gonna test our radio. There we go. There's dual climate control up here. Not a lot of wasted space in a van like this. We're gonna test our window. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood real quick. Alright, you got that. Excuse me, you got the engine up there. Don't hear any ticking, don't hear any knocking. I see no visible leaks, no sign of leakage. It's only got 20,000 miles on it. Definitely looks like an engine bay that only has 20,000 miles on it. Underneath that carriage, rust free. Folks, we always like to inform people, if you are going to buy a vehicle, a van, anything, sight unseen, have that seller provide you with video and emails. In today's day and age, there's no excuse for it. You buy something that you did not have thoroughly inspected, and your bottom floor falls out because of nothing but rust, you will not be able to tag your car in many states because of emission control situations. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take the van out for a test drive. Alright, we're on the test drive portion of the video. We're going to get the van up to highway speeds. Want you to be able to listen to the transmission shift, the engine go. And we are off. Also, we're going to get our cruise control. Got it up to 65, a little over 65. Setting our cruise control. Van runs nice, real smooth ride. No shaking, steering wheel isn't shaking. One thing I like to always point out with these ATS conversion vans is just the lack of noise from the back. If you're familiar with mobility vans, then you know the sound, you know the clanking of metal that I'm speaking of. It just does not exist with this design. They do a very good job. Keep everything in there nice, tight, and square. That ramp being one piece instead of a folding piece helps quite a bit. It's just a real nice design with a 3-year warranty on it. Not a lot to go wrong with those things. We've not even seen a lot go wrong with them. In fact, only one thing, I believe, was a bolt. I'm going to get off here on the exit ramp. I'm going to do a hard brake. I want to pay attention to the shimmying of the steering wheel. Make sure the car does not pull one direction. Hard brake. Car did not pull. I actually just had it steering to the left a little bit, but you did not see any shaking of the steering wheel as well. Just a smooth riding van as it should be. It's a 2017 with just 20,000 miles on it. Alright, sorry about that. I didn't think anybody wanted to see the back of a car for the next 3 minutes. So there you have it. It's a 2017 Toyota Sienna L. It's got a nice blue color to it. Just a really sharp looking van. Runs and drives as it should for a 2017 with such low mileage. It does still fall under the manufacturer specifications for that 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper Toyota warranty. Your conversion, again, I've mentioned it many times, it does have a warranty upon it as well, so nothing to worry about there. We've been in business for nearly 8 years. We've got over 450 positive reviews on eBay. Not a single negative comment in that time. We have a 100% satisfaction rating with the Better Business Bureau. We take our customer service very serious. We like to do things like these videos here so you know exactly what you're going to get before it comes to your door. There's no surprises. If you have any questions at all, do not hesitate to give us a call at 316-262-8267. That's 316-262-VANS. And of course, go to our website at mobility316.com. Check out more videos like this one, more vans like this one that qualify for the free shipping, and see what we do have out there. If we don't have it, give us a call. Maybe we know somebody that does. Again, our website's mobility316.com. This is Micah, and thank you very much for checking out our video.